Welcome to week 8 of Workplace Hazards in the Law. There are 4 questions that you're going to be approaching this week, each of them very important. The first has to do with preemption, which has to do with when federal law prevails over state law, something that is increasingly important in many areas of government today. It's increasingly important in OSHA. It's especially interesting because, as you know, OSHA has both. There's some states belong to a federal OSHA plan, and other states have their own state plans, and this preemption issue becomes particularly critical there. The second issue that so the difference between OSHA at the federal level, in the federal program, and OSHA with the state plans is the second area that you'll be looking at. The third area has to do with the rights of workers and unions during an inspection, something that many of you may be very familiar with from your own jobs, but which is also very important. Very often there are rights that you have that you may not know about. One has to do with the right to walk around with the inspector when an inspector is on a work site. These are important to look at. And the fourth has to do with potential conflicts between building codes, city ordinances, and OSHA, so that those of you who are in the building trades field will want to focus on what you do when the building code of your city says one thing and the OSHA regulation says something else. So this is a week with several different issues to look at. They're all very provocative, I think, and very important to your work in OSHA and the law.